Hey guys, just arrived in Doha Qatar Hamad International Airport, and I will be going to the city and exploring it and showing you within next 2 to 3 days. Finally, I am outside Doha Airport right now here, and now we'll be just going to the city, heading to the city, and we'll be exploring the Doha city and be showing you all the things what I did there. We're here with Shafiq,
Hi,
our friend from India.
I'm from India, Kerala.
Yeah, Kerala, and he is working here in Doha, Qatar, and is very happy with his life because he is getting so many facilities here in Doha. So, how are you, friend?
I'm fine. How are you?
Tell us about something about this city, Doha.
Yeah, Doha city very well. Good. I'm happy.
There are beaches.
Beaches, Corniche and
Corniche.
Katara.
Okay.
And sides.
Any very popular place to visit?
Popular place is Doha city, and then Village Mall,
Okay.
City Center, and Katara. And
Okay.
Pearl.
So, is Doha expensive or not? Normal or expensive?
Normal.
Dubai is expensive or Doha? What do you say?
Dubai.
Dubai is very expensive. He has also lived in Dubai for 2 years. 2 years? 1 year.
Me?
In Dubai.
Dubai 1 year.
1 year. Yeah, he has
Now
worked
here
there
is
as
7
well.
years.
Now 7 years here in
Yeah, it is.
Doha. He is working in this. He is right now driving the Kareem taxi, and I'm just experiencing a nice thing. And I've asked a lot of questions about Doha, how life works here, which places are popular to visit as a tourist, and also I asked about prices.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
I could be learning, you could be yearning to see what's behind these closed doors. But I promise you,
Hey everyone, I am right now here in Qatar, Doha. This is the richest country in the world, and I have come here to explore it and to show you in the video. Qatar is located in the Arabian Sea near UAE and Saudi Arabia, and this is in the Middle East, one of the richest countries in the world and one of the most developed countries in Middle East. So I will be basically giving you all the details and the attractions about this nice country and this nice city Doha, and I hope you will enjoy that. So right now I am in the area of old Doha city, and I will also be going to the new Doha city and showing you that as well.